Yo, this bird kind of just woke me up from my dream. I was literally just sleep. I was literally just sleep. And like, it's interesting because like in the dream, from what I remember, it was like somebody. It was like whatever had happened in the dream. Which, by the way, my dreams tend to be like I don't know. They tend to be like adventures. Like I be on like missions with like other people, accomplishing stuff. Um, and it's always all like for the greater good. You feel me? Um, on some Earth Angel type shit. You know what I mean? Um, like moving behind the scenes to save the world type shit. So anyway, whatever whatever had happened in my dream, um, and it was like a older person, like a leader or something like that, that was with me, or and whoever I was with. I just they was talking to me, and I just kept. I remember just hearing like, "Yo, you did it. You accomplished it. Like you did it. You did it. You did it." You know what I mean? Like finally, like you did it. You did it. Like we here now, type shit. Like, um, and but it was interesting because like I was hearing it at the same cadence as like basically like when I woke up. When I woke up, you hear him. You hear him tripping. You can see him too. You see it? You hear that? It's like every like second. It's like chirp, chirp, chirp. But by the way, he been here for at least a couple minutes now. And I know he see me. Yup, he looking at me right now. I try not to open the blinds 100%. I didn't want to scare him off. Cause when I open the blinds, I ain't see him at first. When I see him, I was like, oh. When I stop opening the blinds for real. But anyway, and like this in the same cadence, like the timing in between, I'm like chirp, chirp, chirp. That was like it was like the same timing of the person in my dream saying, like, we made it. You did it. You did it. You did it. And so upon waking up, I immediately knew it was the bird. Like you know how like sometimes in your dream, like maybe you'll hear like you sleep, like you sleep deep sleep, um, or whatever, and you hear like a car alarm, or maybe a TV start coming on, or it's like a sound, or even your alarm, and like whatever sound is made, or somebody talking, and like whatever sound they make, whatever sound that's sounding around you while you sleep, it can like shape your dream. It can like take form in your dream. You know, like like those funny memes, those funny videos are like when the when the alarm go off and it turns like a disco into in your dream, and you finally wake up. It's like, oh, that was my alarm, but but it took a different form in your dream. That's kind of how this was with the bird tripping. Like upon waking, I immediately knew it. They're like, you made it, you made it, you did it, you did it. Even though in my dream it was a person saying that, but when I woke up, it was like I looked at the window, opened the blinds, I could hear it. It was loud, but upon waking, cause I'm still kind of in that sleepy state. I immediately knew it was the bird. It was kind of like the bird saying that, like the bird's chirps took the form of encouragement of like, you did it, you did it. as if I just completed some mission or made some transformation or did something. And so I don't know. And also upon waking, I was just hella motivated, from the dream. Because whatever happened in the dream, it was something good. Like I accomplished something. I did it. I finally did it. You know what I mean? So I don't know. I'm just feeling. I'm continuing to just feel hella good right now. You know what I mean? I don't. I don't remember exactly what my dreams be, but I remember the feeling. And this particular dream, it was definitely accomplishment. Like I really did it, and I could feel. And this is also upon waking up. Like immediately, my mind went to like I could feel like this shift that I made within me. It's like, yo, I did it for real. It's a lot I could explain about that, especially because because I know what that means for me right now at this point in my life. I'm not gonna get too much into it, but long story short, it's like I'm embodying the principles and traits that I aspire to, you know, and the version I aspire. It's like I'm embodying the version of myself I've always dreamed of. Basically, it's like I'm doing it. Like I did it. Like I became this version of myself I'm extremely proud of. You know, habits have gotten better bit by bit. Some cold turkey, but mostly through gradual change for real. Over time. And just something I'm just so proud of. I've been so proud of myself recently. But yeah, that's what I've been feeling. Like upon waking up, that's what I was feeling. As soon as I heard the bird chirping, I just wanted to say thank you. I appreciate it. You know what I mean? I really appreciate it. If I could tell this bird, I really appreciate you. In fact, I'm gonna do what I can to help this bird. Cause also it might need something. I don't know, some water, some food or something. Like it looks small. He just opened his mouth. Why? As soon as I said that, opened his mouth. Interesting. Yeah, I might give some food, some water, or something. But yeah, I just wanted to share that. Cause it's like, wow, I never really, as far as I remember, I had something happen like this before. So anyway, that's all for now.